Welcome to NetSuite SuiteSuccess demonstration for health and beauty companies. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to manage items and enter purchase orders. In this video, I'm going to assume a buyer planner role. As soon as I log in, my NetSuite Dashboard gives me real-time insights into my current inventory status, as well as KPIs that provide an aggregate view of the overall inventory and the value stored within my warehouse. I can also click further into each on-hand quantity of this Aqua True Cream product to see inventory movement all the way down to the item receipt level. Any items that come through the warehouse will update in real time. Let's drill into my item to go over the item setup. If we take a look at the item record for the Aqua True Cream, this is the item master, where all the item attributes are stored. At the top, under primary information, I can store multiple units of measure, UPC, and images. On the tabs below, I can provide more detail, such as an item's pricing. I can set multiple pricing strategies based on both the customer and order channels. The item record stores the item's merchandise hierarchy, procurement strategy, and its accounting implications. NetSuite comes with pre-configured fields, but can be configured to store any attributes I may want to define. Back on the Inventory tab, I have the option to manually input my reorder point, preferred stock level, or lead time. NetSuite can also collect this data over time to automate purchase order suggestions. Now that my item is set up, I'll go back to the dashboard to see this in action. The inventory KPI lets me view my overall inventory value to ensure that I have enough stock each month. It also provides insight into how my current inventory value compares to the same time last month. As we see here, my inventory value is running lower than usual. NetSuite proactively notifies me when an item needs to be ordered through the Items to Order reminder. Let's look into these numbers. Here, we can see whether an item has gone below a specific reorder point value based on the set of criteria we've defined for that item on the item record. I can sort this list based on different criteria like location, vendor, and more. Let's choose to buy this Aqua Cream, which our vendor will send to our main warehouse location. By clicking Submit, NetSuite will create a fully populated purchase order based on the information from this screen. I can easily review the purchase order I've created and send it to the vendor via email. In order to receive the item, I'll take on the role of a warehouse associate. As I switch roles, you'll notice that my dashboard updates to KPIs that are relevant to a warehouse associate. The dashboard not only indicates outbound shipments, but also provides visibility into inbound shipments and purchase orders, providing insight on the inventory movement that I can expect for the day. The warehouse staff can set up reminders on items as purchase orders come in, or they can use the global search bar to locate POs. Pulling up the purchase order record for an order that arrived on the dock, I can generate an item receipt ticket confirming that I've received the goods. NetSuite will create the inventory transaction and account for the estimated landed cost that's set on the item record, which provides me with a more accurate cost of goods sold. Now that we have received the item, let's assume the role of an AP clerk to close the loop. Now I'm logged in to NetSuite as an accountant. This dashboard gives me visibility into my cash flow related to both accounts receivable and accounts payable. Because NetSuite is an updated and real-time system, my accounts payable team is alerted as soon as the purchase order was received, and it's time to bill through the purchase orders to bill reminder. Using the previous purchase order, I'm notified that it has been received, and now I can generate a bill. As the bill gets generated, the line items from the purchase order will be automatically copied over. It allows me to compare and contrast the vendor bill to the invoice I've received to ensure accuracy. Once I save the bill, this flows directly into the queue for payment, shown here in the Bills to Pay reminder. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager.